Now we shall throw some light on a very good and useful concept of classes, which is called constructors, and an important usage of it is for initializing variables. Let us see what is a constructor. Suppose we are making a class, we are naming it a square. Okay, and there is a private variable which is about its area and about its side. Side into side will be area, but we are using these variables within the class, so that's why they are private. And we will also use public things, and here we'll use the class name itself for making a function. And whenever we make a function using the class name, we call it a constructor. A constructor means a function which is automatically called when a class object is made. Okay. But interestingly, this constructor doesn't have a return value. And here what we can do is we can define side as given by the user, because I'll also show you how things are initialized by giving user values. So we'll pass a value to a constructor. This can also be done. So important points of a constructor are always class name. Another point is no return value. And another point is, let us make another comment block here. Another point is may or may not have parameters or arguments. These are called parameters or arguments. So this may be there, this may not be there. Okay. Now we are also making another function into this, which will calculate area. So calc area function will make. This doesn't have a return value, and here we'll say this area would be side into side. Got say area of a square. So this area value will set using this function. We'll also create a function to read the area, and here we'll simply return area. So if I want to show area into my main program, I'll use read area. So decent functions are there. Okay. Now what we'll do is that we'll use this square class to declare a square 1, and here I can initialize this square 1 with a side. So this is another technique of declaring a class along with the initializer, which can be used by the constructor, because constructor passes this value. So the moment this object is declared, this value will be passed to the constructor and will be set up inside the value of side. Right? And here what we'll do is that we'll use this S1 to calculate area first, and then we'll show it. The area will show as area, and S1 dot read area. This will use, and we'll also say NL here and that. So let us see how it works. First, this square will be initialized to this object, which will be having a initializer value inside, and that initialization value will pass to this constructor, because this is having the same name and no return value, and this value will go to the side of the side variable, which is a private variable, And this side variable, the moment I call this calc area of the class object S1, this would be calculated, this area would be calculated and stored into the class object area variable, right? And the moment I use this read area will return me the value of that area simply. Because I am using this is a local variable to a class, is a private variable. So the value, I can't read it outside, so I have to use a function which is read area. Okay, let us run this. Save it and run it. The value I have passed is return area. Some issue is there. Let us see what is the problem. Operand types are basic stream characters. So some issue is there. Let us correct it. This will log into here and return area. Read area is there. Return area is there. This area has been set here. Yes, it is okay. Yes, it has to be of whatever type I am returning. Because I am returning double type, so it should be of that types. This return type is very, very important. I think it should run now. Let us see. Yeah, it has run. Area has come to be 6.25 because it is initialized by 2.5, so it will come 6.25. Side into side, 2.5 into 2.5. Okay. One more thing I would like to tell you, that this can be initialized in other ways also. It can be initialized simply like this also. Just see. This should also work. Yes, it has worked. It can also be initialized the way values are initialized in an array or in structure. Just see like this. So multiple ways of initialization. Function like, then direct, and then array like initialization. So we can use any type of initialization while passing value to our initialization constructor, and constructors are often used for initialization purposes. Okay.
Please like, share and subscribe.